Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a little tutorial how to create a text content only on a TikTok. So first thing we have to do is open the TikTok application. You just need to click it and open it, and after that you will be generated into the TikTok in the home section. And how to create a content for your account, just need to click this plus button to create a new one, and after that there will be several options here. So this side, in this left side, will be a option for video content and photo, to take a photo live, and after that this one is text. You just need to go into this segment, so after that you just need to type everything, type something, type any information that you want to deliver for your content. So for example, you want to, let's say, a dear diary. Okay, so after you put everything that you want to have, you just need to adjusting the colors and as well as the font. If you want to make it a bit retro, there will be a lot of a font that provided by the TikTok. You just need to find out which one is sweet with you. Okay, and after you done, you can also adjusting the color right there. You can also adjusting the positions. Okay, just do whatever you want until you feel satisfied with your editing. You can also do it this outline and this style, many more, and after you're done, just click. Okay, so that's all the way how to create a type content only on a TikTok, and after you finish, just need to post into to feed. That's all the way, guys. So if you find that this tutorial is useful, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.